Yeah. Now this is where we can create our, your own comic strips, right? So they have given some panels where you can draw the pictures, you can write the dialogues. Okay, now we will see how to do a comic strip with the help of this now. Let me confirm whether everyone can see or not. Yes, Emma, everyone can see this? Yes? Show your thumbs. Everyone. Abhignesh, can you see? Yeah, okay. Hansika, you can see? Just show your thumb. Yeah, you can see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Shanmukha Priya, what's your doubt? Yeah,
Ma'am, how can we do this one?
I will tell you. First, let listen this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Yeah. So after click on create your comics, which I have done already, the make believe comics will default to a 3-panel comic strip. So this is a 3-panel comic strip. Use the blue scroller bar in the cast of characters section below to view all the available characters. Can I see any characters? Yeah, this only. Pet is there, COVID-19, comics diary, all comic starters, characters are there here. So we can choose our own characters, right? Then next step 5 is click on a character you like and 4 different versions of that same character will appear. Means if you click on one character, different versions of the same character will appear. Means like if I select one character, the same character, how it is jumping, how it is sleeping, how it is eating. Suppose you are there, means your eating version will be different, your sleeping version, your jumping version, your playing version, your so many like that versions are there for one individual, right? So if you select one character, similarly 4 versions, different versions of the same character will appear. Select the one you like for your story and her or boy or a girl will appear in the blank panel you are working on. After that, you can control the character in the panel by using the panel tools below the selected panel. The choices are move, scale, bring to front, flip horizontally, and delete. First, select the tool you wish to use, then select the object in your panel for the action to occur. To place a talk or thought balloon for the character in which you can type words, click on Balloons library and choose a size you wish. Use a scroll bar to see the sizes available. Do the same for objects, words, and backgrounds for your comic. See this color wheel in the background section. You can build a comic story of up to 9 panels by clicking on the box with a plus. If you don't like how the panel you are working on looks, delete it by clicking on the negative box at the top left over the panels. After completion, click on print, email or save. You will see the new page and you can see your comic strip. Select image to disk below and save your comics in your computer. So this is the process what we have to do, and now I will show you what you have to. So now we have opened, right? After this what we have to do, we have to select the character, right? So I am choosing a characters. Do we need to log in for this? It is not. Do we need to log in? In the browser picture. Okay. I think we need not to log in for this. Okay, I will log in with my email ID. Log in with, yeah. So I have logged in with my email ID. So now I can select the character. Yeah, which character would you like to select? Yes, ma, tell me. I have unmuted you all. Mute everyone, but tell me which character would you like to choose?
Ma'am, space, ma'am. Space, ma'am. Ma'am, Halloween. Ma'am, thank you. Ma'am,
Halloween.
space, ma'am.
Okay.
Halloween, ma'am.
You are all
This one.
shouting. I don't want. I will choose my own character because I am making my these things. So I will choose my own character. Like any simple teacher is there. There's something she's talking. Okay. So these are the three poses of her. So this I will choose, which it got selected here. After this, what we have to choose after selecting? After selecting the character, will appear. Select the one you like for your story and her appear on the blank panel. Okay. You can control the character in the panel by moving. Yeah, by moving the choices are move, scale, uh, move. So it is a move here down. It is Erma move. It is scale down. It is bring to front, and this is flip, and this is delete. So I'll take move. Okay, then first select, then move. What it is not doing. Okay, we'll see then. To place a talk or thought balloon for the character in which you can type words, click on balloons library and choose the size you wish. Where is the balloons library? It's down. Balloons, yes. Balloons and prompts. I choose a balloon like bubble, we told, right? I'll take this up and place it here. Not this. Then this I'll take. Oh, not this much big. Okay. Now I can write my dialogues. Hi, kids. How are you all? Like this, we can keep, right? Now in this, coming to the next panel, again we can go. Where is my character? This one, right? So yeah, now it's this situation, so we can go for balloon again. Yeah, hope you are all safe. Okay. I'll choose another character. Kids are not there. Some child is talking to me. Bubble. Talk balloons. These are talk balloons. Yeah, ma'am. We are all Fine here. Okay, let it be. Now I would like to save this. Go for save. Name your comics. Okay. My school author's name is myself. No, it's not saving. It's saved. Comics saved online. Okay. Oh, can we see? We all saved. Okay. It came, right? Yes, ma. You all understood what to do now? How to do? Everyone? It's interesting, right? It's very interesting. So you no need to worry about the dialogues, no need to worry about the characters. Everything is available ready-madely, right? All the characters are available. Dialogues you have to write, but yeah, only you have to choose for the dialogues. Means characters are there. Yes, only you need to do is you have to say, write the dialogues. I know you are good at that, right? So like that, will you prepare comic strips by your choice? Everyone, you can talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
done? Everyone understood now?
Ma'am, but how we can do?
Yes, ma. Like I told you, like go for what is that? www.makebelieves. Sorry, make
Ma'am, you
that.
can send in Birla school video, ma'am. It's written in the course book. We can also see from there. And ma'am, you already have it in the course book, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Every step is given in your course books. Okay,
Ma'am,
just
but my book is in printing, so I cannot see neatly. Just total printing. Ours also printing only. Mine's also printing only, Shanmugha. Mine's also printing only.
it's not mice, mine. Not mice, mine. Mine also printing only.
Mine also printing only, Shanmugha. I can also don't see like that.
Wait. All are shouting like. Yes, ma. Shanmukha Priya, you can open that website which is given in your course book. Okay. Yes. After that, there it will be available. Create comics. You can see there. Okay. Just click on that. Right. After you open that create comics, again one more time you have to click on create comics. I'll show you again. See the video. Okay. Just see this again. I'm closing this. Yeah, I am closing. Now I am opening again. Shrestha, why? What happened? Where is Shrestha? Yes, Shrestha, tell me.
Ma'am,
Shrestha. Yes, ma. Tell me.
I don't have a problem, but I'm telling that I with my papa that color printer is there.
No need of printer, ma. Why printer you want? I did not ask you to print the comics. You just do it and you can take the picture and you can send me WhatsApp only. I don't want printouts. If you have printers, you can take the printout. You can click there, print, no problem. If you don't have printers, you can just post me take the picture and post me that picture. Okay? Or or you can share. Oh, ఉంది ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ ఆయనకే మరి తీసుకుంటున్నాడో లేదో అదొకటే ఉందమ్మా సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ ఒకటి అది మాధవిలత మేడం ఆమె వచ్చిందా ఆమె పేరు ఎట్లా రాసింది ఫోన్లో చెప్తుందేమో అమ్మకి సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ 5th క్లాస్ ఓకే ఎస్ మా యా అనన్య టెల్ మీ
Ma'am, your screen is stuck for me.
I didn't open anything. I'm just I didn't open. Now I am opening. Now
Okay.
yeah, Google. Where is this Shanmukha Priya? Yeah, ma Shanmukha Priya, you are seeing?
Yes, ma'am.
I have opened Google, right? Now what should I do? www.makebelievecomics.com. I'm opening that.
Yeah.
What can you see on the screen, Shanmukha?
Make a strip.
Yeah, creating comics. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, once I type the www, it like this, it has opened. Now you have to click on this creating comics, right?
Yeah.
Now what you can see, you can see this make believe com, right?
Yeah.
Now again here one more, home is there, create comics is there, right? You can see? Yeah, that again you have to click on create comics.
Okay.
Now you'll get the screen like this with these 3 panels. See, this is my comic strip. You can go for new comics means it will open already, no problem. So these are the characters, all characters you can choose here. Balloons and prompts are here. Thought balloons are there, talk balloons are there. You can keep anything of your choice, ma. Not only
Ma'am, what are those objects?
I'll see. Objects like some things. This also you can use in your comics.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you wish you can do. Not only what I have done, I didn't say that do like me only. Your wish, you can use anything of your choice. Everything is available here. Mask, see the background color you can choose. Give me words. Okay, everything is there.
What is that new?
We'll see.
Send
an e-hug it seems. Send a big e-hug to someone in your life. So it will send like it's not considered with you, like it is related to emails, so no need of that.
Oh.
Yeah, e-hug means hug in email. Now we can hug directly, right? So if you want to give a hug in email, that is e-hug.
Oh,
Email hug. Okay. Yeah, now what give me words. I'll see what is this give me words.
Give me words.
It gives you an idea for words or dialogues.
Give me words.
Next is ayo. Is it clear, Shanmukha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Now you can create it, right? So everyone, how many are having printers at home?
Ma'am, I'm not having printer, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just asking, ma. It's not compulsory. Ananya, Shrikar, you are having? Okay, Yashasvi, Vishwaksena, Arham, Rohin. Those are having printouts, they can take printout. Okay, are not compulsory for all. Those who are having printers can take printouts. Okay,
Ma'am, Yashasvi want to say something.
Yashasvi, tell something. Yeah,
I don't have printer. I don't have printer. You did this comic strip from Google search.
Yes,
I don't have printer, ma'am.
okay, no problem.
Send a fix from that Google.
No problem, ma. You can just take.
Today I will send after the class comic strip.
Okay, very good. Those are having printers, they can take the printouts and keep ready. When you come for physical corrections, right, for books, at that time you can give me, or whenever you come to school for any other purpose, you can give me, okay?
Oh.
Those are having printers, only take the printouts. Others, how to post means take the picture in your mobile, through your mobiles, and send me WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, that is your homework for today. Understood what you have to do? You have to create a comic strip and post me.
Ma'am, when we will do the fun with comic strip, create the bits.
Yes, ma?
Then we will do the fun with comic strip, create the bits.
Bits are tomorrow will. Tomorrow also we have class, right? That tomorrow I will tell. For today, everyone, those are having printers also, you can take print out, but post me today after completing.
Ma'am, in my phone I cannot find www dot. I cannot find.
You don't have device, laptop you are not having?
I am having.
Shanmugapri, you don't have laptop?
No, ma'am.
You are, going for online classes through mobile?
Yeah.
In mobile also it will come, I think, just try once.
Ma'am, we can also do in tabs. No,
Yeah,
ma'am,
you
in
can do.
mobile also that is coming. I had tab, but in that
Yes, who is
Wi-Fi
this?
will not be.
Ayan, ma'am.
Tell me, Ayan.
In that mobile also coming, ma'am. In
It's
Samsung.
coming, it seems. Try ma everyone, those are having. Try everyone.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
try.
trying in Google, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
trying in Google also. I cannot find
No,
out.
ma'am.